Your marketing looks good, but it's not local enough. You've got the content. It looks sharp, the captions are clean, and your Canva game is strong, but still no leads. That's because your marketing might look good, but it doesn't feel like South Florida. And in real estate, local connection beats aesthetic every time. So, I break down into 2 parts and Section 1, why generic content is killing you. Here's the real problem. Buyers and sellers in South Florida aren't looking for quotes or trending sounds. They want to know, what neighborhoods are safe from flooding? What are HOA fees like in Coral Springs? How's the condo situation post-Surfside? Generic content can't answer those questions. It feels like noise. And your brand? Lost in the scroll. Section 2. What local content actually looks like. Local content doesn't mean low quality. It means featuring Wiles road traffic in your reels. Explaining Pembroke Pines zoning laws in your stories. Breaking down HOA restrictions in Weston in a quick voiceover. This is the content that gets shared in Facebook groups. That gets comments like, "I've been looking in that exact area." It doesn't need to go viral, it needs to be real. So let's talk what we do for you. At Brand Locally, we build real content systems for realtors. You give us a listing tour, a selfie audio, a few talking points about the neighborhood, and we give you a hyperlocal reel, a geo-specific carousel, a voiceover short, all branded, optimized, and platform ready. If your content looks nice, but isn't bringing calls, comments, or connection, it's time to localize your brand. Tap the link or comment, Local Power, and we'll build you a custom content map tailored to your area, your audience, and your vibe. No more cookie cutter posts. Let's brand you like the local expert you already are. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.